dude. What are you doing?
Stop. What's he got, Jacob? What is that thing? What is that? Ooh, it's sunny outside.
Look, Emily, we're on Hollywood.
Right.
Hollywood.
Can you go see Uncle Paul, Jacob?
Come here, Jake. Come here, Jake.
Oh.
How you doing? Pretty good, wet. Yes. Give me a hug. Give me a hug, Jake. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Give me a hug like Emily. There we go. There we go. Guys, smile for the camera. Yeah, this is kind of hard, isn't it?
Daddy has to go to work. He's going to show Uncle Paul how to work this, okay?
Here we go.
I need to go get a Kleenex and blow my nose, Emily. Is that okay?
There's a battery pack, too. I can show you.
Oh, I wanted it,
Pay attention to me. Come here, Emily. Emily, come here. Come play here. Oh, there you go. There you go. Can I have that, please? Thank you. Thank you. Can you hug? Hug Emily. Oh, you're getting too... You're okay. Stop the camera. What's she doing?
Fall down.
You did. You fell down, hit your head.
Push.
Yes, she did. She pushed you down. Ooh.
Big head.
Yeah. She made you do it. What are you doing to the wall? You want something to eat, Emily? What's she doing? Let's go and try it.
Looks like I better get a missing early action.
What's he got in his hand?
Go get Grandpa. Go get Grandpa, Jake. Go jump on Grandpa. Go jump on Grandpa. Go get him, Jake. Go get him. Bro, Jacob.
Oh.
Come here, Jake. Come here.
How about that? Wow.
Oh, it's too tall. Too tall. It's too tall. Ready?
Ready? Oh.
Ready. Here we go. Be careful. Wait.
Ready?
Wait. Okay. You want to knock it over?
Ready?
Whoa.
That's so...
Down.
We went down.
That was fun.
I love when he says that.
I do too.
Fall down.
Fall down.
Did it fall down?
Did it all go down?
That was a
Boom.
big boom.
Boy, that was a tall one. You gonna do it again? Did you like that, Jacob? Hmm? What happened?
That was fun, huh?
Better help.
Make it a little stronger this time. Build it out here in the middle. Okay.
I'll fall down.
Yeah, you know how it goes together.
Yeah, put it. Get rid of the
Smack 'em.
top. Smack it. Yeah.
Whoops.
You go. Just fit it on. All right.
One at a time.
That's it.
Broken. Broken.
That's it. It's broken. Okay, it's all right. We'll throw that one away. We'll use that one later. Here we go.
Uh-oh, it's not on there all the way.
Smack
You
it.
smack it a little
Give it a
bit.
smack.
There you go.
That's
Here you go.
good.
You kind of have to be careful putting them on.
Five.
Is this going to be a Jacob Tower? A Sarah's Tower?
Okay.
Broken.
That's all right.
I see broken.
Yeah, I see it's broken in there. Okay. No, we don't need any more down there. Put them right here. Put them up here. Get that blue in and bring it up here. Here we go. Up here, Jake. Up here. Yeah. All right. Here. Come on, hold this one. I'll hold it. Turn it just a little.
Count fun.
Let's see how big we can get it. Let's see if we can get a real tall one. Let's see if we can build it to the sky.
Wow.
All right, get some more. Find some more. Find some more, Jake.
Just put one on if you want to. Oh my goodness. Who's going to hold you up? You better put it.
Okay. So you don't, yeah, try to keep it from falling. There you go. Jake.
Okay, put it up there. Oh, it's
Wait a minute,
not
wait a minute,
quite
wait a
tall
minute.
enough. Whoop! Boost, boost, boost. There.
One more. Grandma will get that one.
Okay.
Is that it?
That's it.
Wow, we got them
That's
all up
all.
there.
There.
That's it. No more. Let's see if it'll stand.
Oh.
You can get a balance. Wait, Jake. Wait. Whoops.
Oh, whoops, it all went down.
over.
Fell over before you had a
Oh,
chance to get it all done.
Well, I tell you, we can do it another way. We'll go like this, Jake. This'll work. See how that looks? This is a little different. Yeah, you gotta go one by one. No, turn it the other way. We'll go this way. So you gotta crisscross the pattern. See? See how that works?
Okay, I'll do them for you.
Crisscross the pattern. See that?
Here you go.
Here's one. Yep. Yeah, turn it this way. There you go.
There.
Smack it. Okay. This one. Good. Take it apart. Yeah, put that one this way. Turn it over. Okay. How's it gonna go? There.
Whoops.
Whoops.
Came down.
Maybe it won't be as stiff.
Got an earthquake around you.
You just like knocking them off, don't you? You just like to knock them over.
Thanks, Shuttle.
apart too. Take it to Mom. Okay. Do it.
What's he doing?
Do it.
Oh, don't you want to start with 1, Jacob? No, 5. 1.
Oh.
Yeah, that fits. That fits. Wow. There you go. Don't fit too good. Let's put this one on last. We'll put that one on last. Put that one on.
What are you looking at? Oh, you want to
Okay,
look at those
keep
balls?
going. Yeah, that fits. Go ahead. Put it on. Keep going, James. That's 4. 4. There might be one more though, huh? It's up there.
We need to
It's
teach
up
you so
there.
they can see her.
See, Jake, right there. See it?
Okay,
There we go. There we go. That's number 5.
Can you see us, kid?
Good. That's 5. Where's that one go? That goes to 1. Good. That's good.
Oh, green one.
Green ones are number 2. 1. No, it doesn't go there. It goes up 2. There you go. 2. And what's next? What's the next number?
Yes.
Let's take a
3?
Let's take a
Well, you're trying to put 3 on 4 though, Jake. There you go.
Look, I'm gonna watch.
Orange. What color is that? Orange. And what number is that? Do you know what number that is?
1, 2, 3. Is that 3? What's the last one? 4.
Nice job.
You did.
Do it again.
Do it
All right.
again.
Yeah, let's do it this way.
Want to go see this again?
Pull those off, Jake. Pull them off.
Oh. Oh. Wow. Who's out there? Who's that? Is that Mama? What are you doing?
Put that on. This has got 3 holes. How many holes does this have? How many holes? Jake, look. Look, see? See? Look. 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes. All right, you do it.
Uh-oh.
Now what are we gonna do? Now what are we gonna do?
Is Jacob having a fit?
Book.
Help book. What's that help book?
Health book.
Oh, patty cake, bake first, bake,
Help.
cake, just as fast as you can. Do, I don't know the rest. Gorilla.
That's the gorilla. Hail.
A
Hail.
little fuzzy on your eyelash.
Oh no, it's a monster. Hail. There's a gorilla. There's a little that's a robber.
Go nine nine.
Yeah, he's going right there. Dinosaur.
One.
Where's the robber, Jacob?
Where's the robber?
Yeah.
Yeah. Gorilla. And a monster.
Boom. Pop.
Boom.
Can we play with this, Jacob? Can we play with this? Is that okay?
This is the help book. This is something Gail needs. Give Emily a kiss, Jake.
Give him.
Oh,
Oh.
it's nice. Hold on to my ears. That's so you won't fall off. Watch out, low bridge.
Oh, honey.
Let's go look out the window, Jake. Oh, except Gail can't film up the window.
Oh, do you like it up there?
We'll show you, Emily.
Do you like it up there?
Want to go give your sister another kiss? It's kind of weird kissing your sister, though.
Oh. You want to hug her? Oh. Yeah.
But she's taller than you, Jake. What?
We're taller than you. Look. We're taller.
Give your brother a punch. Punch him in the nose.
Shoo!
Oh, where it fall? Where it fall? Oh, there it is. See that? Oh, there he is. There he is. Where's Jacob? Where's Jacob? Oh, peekaboo. Oh, peekaboo. Can you patty cake for Uncle Paul? Patty cake. Patty cake, patty cake, baker's man. Come on, patty cake. Patty cake. Come on, patty cake. Patty cake. Baker's man. Huh? Let's see if we can do that. Now, patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake just as fast as you can. Roll it and pull it and mark it with an E. And put it in the oven for Emily and me. How big is Emily? So big. How big is Emily? So big.
So big. Pancake, pancake, bakers.
Ooh, drooling. You're drooling. Oh.
E.T.?
E.T.? That's enough. Enough, isn't it? Where are you going to go? Where are you going to go? Hmm? Oh, you want that book? Okay. Go get the book.
Open door.
Go get the book.
What's wrong?
Mother Jacob.
Jacob.
Jacob, come here. Come here. Come here, Jacob.
Oh, you want me to hide in the door like we did last night? Okay, I remember. Okay. Here. You want me to get inside? Okay.
You would like to take that ribbon that thing off. Would you like to take that off?
Where's Sue, Jake? What happened to Sue?
Where's Sue?
Where's Sue?
Oh, there. Just stir it up. Just stir it up.
Oh, where's Sue?
Chew on it.
Uh-oh.
Where is she?
There I am. There I am.
And he wants to do it.
Do you want to do it? You sure? It's dark. Okay.
Where's Jacob?
Where is
Where's
Jacob?
Jacob?
There he is.
Jacob.
There's Jacob.
Where's Jacob?
You wondered what happened to him too, didn't you?
There
You
he is.
thought maybe he had gone.
There. Oh.
Yeah. There's Jacob.
Where is he?
Where's Jacob?
Where is he?
Oh, like Inner Sanctum. Oh, you like to see him come out of there, don't you? You like to do that. Let's see, he's hiding. There's Jacob.
There
Oh,
he is.
there he is. Where's Jacob? Where'd he go? He's gone.
There he
Where'd he
is.
go? Oh, there he is.
Okay.
There he is.
Here you go.
You want to go after him? You want to go after him? Come on. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go get Jacob. Oh, you're going to go in there. Ooh. There you go. Say hi, Uncle Paul. Oh, here it comes.
You got.
Yeah, and she's gonna want one too. Like if you have something to eat, you need to eat too.